Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Tips. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer BNB from Robinhood to your Arculus wallet in 2025. With crypto security becoming more important than ever, knowing how to move your assets safely is a game changer. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step walkthrough will have you set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have a Robinhood account with some BNB in it and your Arculus wallet app installed and set up. Double-check that your Arculus wallet is connected to the correct network, like BNB Smart Chain, to avoid any transfer issues. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet app. Navigate to your BNB wallet section and copy the wallet address. This is your unique key to receiving the funds, so jot it down or keep it handy. Always verify it to prevent errors. Step 2. Head over to the Robinhood app or website. Log in to your account and go to your portfolio. Find your BNB holdings and select the withdraw or transfer option. Robinhood makes this pretty intuitive, but take a moment to review any available networks. Step 3. Paste the Arculus wallet address into the withdrawal field. You'll need to specify the amount of BNB you want to transfer. Start small if you're new to this. Robinhood will show you any fees, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Step 4. Review everything carefully. Make sure the address is correct, confirm the amount, and hit the confirm button. You'll get a confirmation prompt, so go ahead and approve it. Step 5. Sit back and wait. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. Once it's complete, open your Arculus wallet to verify that your BNB has arrived. A quick word of caution. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so always double-check details and use secure connections. If you run into any issues, reach out to Robinhood or Arculus support. There you have it. That's how you transfer BNB from Robinhood to Arculus wallet in 2025. It's that simple. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there in the crypto world.